All right, here's what leads on all angles at noon. The Senzo Meyiwa murder trial has been adjourned until Monday in the High Court in Pretoria. Adv Zandile Mshololo wrapped up her cross-examination with Constable Sizwe Zungu. Mshololo insists that accused number 5, Ntuli, was at home when Meyiwa was killed. eNCA reporter Manqoba Mchunu joins me now from the High Court in Pretoria for the latest. Manqoba, exactly what is it that Advocate Mshololo has to say about accused number 5's claim that he was working when Meyiwa was murdered?
Well, Advocate Mshololo insisting, of course, that accused number 5 was nowhere in the vicinity of Vosloorus on the day that Senzo Meyiwa was killed. And this is crucial because what Constable Zungu had told this court is that the 5 accused were all at a gathering that had taken place in Vosloorus at a hostel on the day that Senzo Meyiwa was killed. But he's disputed this, saying that, in fact, he was nowhere close to Vosloorus. In fact, he had even produced a photo in court, which is part of the pictures that were taken as part of the evidence in court, where he shows exactly where he was on that particular afternoon. He says he was in George Koch at a hostel in Johannesburg, and that picture seems to show that it was taken around about 5 o'clock in the afternoon. He says that before that he had been at work, and after the photo was taken, he then went back home, and he never went anywhere close to Vosloorus. And of course, disputing also that there was an event that had taken place in Vosloorus. But just take a listen to what came out in court.
And on the date in question, on the 26th of October 2014, accused number 5 says he was at work where he was employed in Johannesburg up until 1 o'clock.
Voting day 26 October 2014. Mangalelo wesihlanu bekesemsebenzini eJoburg la ukuthi uye washayisa khona ngo 1 o'clock.
And then went to his flat, and then later went to George Koch flats. George Koch hostel, sorry.
I wouldn't say as to the particular spots that he went to, but I would ascertain that I saw him in the morning and I also saw him later in the afternoon.
And Manqoba, just give us more details about the adjournment till Monday. I thought the defence said that it was already done, sifting through the evidence of Constable Zungu, or is it another witness?
Well, there were two issues that were brought up by Advocate Mshololo. The first one is that she couldn't complete the cross-examination of Constable Zungu, and the reason for this is because she says she needed to go over some of the photos on a memory stick that she had received from the state. She says that she had received this particular memory stick late and couldn't prepare or view some of those photos that were there. Of course, it's crucial for the defense to be able to prove that these accused were not part or the fact that they were not there at the hostel when Senzo Meyiwa was killed. So she has asked for time to go over these photos, and says that she'll then continue with the cross-examination of Constable Zungu on Monday. But also, there was a new witness, Maseko, that was meant to have taken the stand this afternoon. We understand that this is also a cell phone analyst who had downloaded photos from phones belonging to accused number 2 as well as accused number 5, and they were also meant to give evidence as far as that is concerned. But however, the state saying that the defense has indicated that they will need more time to prepare for this. We understand that the statement was only given to the state on Friday, and therefore they did not have time to go over that particular statement. So they have asked for 2 days to be able to go over that statement and also to consult with their clients, and they are saying that they will then be ready to proceed with that particular evidence being led in court when this matter resumes on Monday. So this was allowed by the court, which found that it was in the interest of justice for them to be allowed this time to be able to prepare for their defense. And that's the reason why, Masiko, this matter has then been postponed to Monday. And of course, we're expecting that on Monday, the cross-examination of Constable Sizwe Zungu is going to be finalized by Advocate Mshololo, as well as that new evidence is going to be heard in court.
All right, Manqoba Mchunu live for us outside the High Court in Pretoria. Thank you. Let's leave it there for now.